Watch. We'll write a program. We'll name it as addnums.cs. Let's name it as addnums.cs. Okay, look, using system class addnums. Okay. What I wanted to do, I want to prompt the user for entering a number. I'm writing console dot write line, enter first number. See, I'm using console dot write line, enter first number. Now let me compile this code. Now execute the code. Addnums. When I run this, you see now, printing you enter first number, but not waiting for the input name. See here, waiting for the input, but here, are not waiting came out now. We want to make it wait now. If you want to make it wait, in the next line write down console dot write line. This is like a scanf statement in the C language. Are you clear? It is like a scanf statement in our C language. Console dot write line. Save. Watch all of you. Oh, sorry, not here. Watch it all of you. Recompile. Execute. See, waiting. Waiting, sir, but waiting on the next line. We want the cursor to wait on the same line, but not in the next line. Correct? No? If that is the case, use write method. Don't use the write line. Already said you write line prints and comes to next line. Write prints, but not on the next line now. So now the cursor will wait on the same line for you now. Okay? Let me close this. Observe, guys. Recompiling. That is waiting on the same line. Here, actually, read line method will do three things to us. What are three things? First one, wait for the user's input. Waiting, see. Second, user enter the input. How do you tell you are done? Are you enter value, guys? How do you tell I'm done? Enter. When the user hits the enter key here, it will move that value into the code. Got it or not? It will read that value into the code. The value is going to be read into the code now. This particular 100 will be read into the code. So this 100 will be read into the code now. So first step, waits for the user's input. Second step, when user hits enter, the value is read into the code. Third step is it returns back the value what it has read. It returns back the value what it has read. Means what I'm trying to tell you now, it is a value returning method. It is a value returning method. See, remember, I taught you this already. Int add, int x comma, int y. Int z is equals to x plus y. Return z. What are you doing, man? Adding and returning the result now. It's a value returning method, correct? It's a value returning method. Same way, read line is also value returning method. It returns the value. What value will it return, sir? The value what it has read will be returned back. You can capture in the code. You can capture in the code now. See what I'm doing? Int x or int I is equals to. Are you clearer or not? Int I is equals to is what I am reading now. So the value should come into I. Okay, now let me compile the code here. Our compilation is giving errors. What is the error? Read all of you. Cannot convert the string to integer. When you see this, you have a doubt. Where did we convert string to integer? Do you understand me? Where did we convert string to integer? Would be a doubt. Okay, let me clarify. Why you're getting this array is, see, listen. What is the return type of this function? Integer. Now, when I'm calling, can I call like this? Can I call like this? I cannot call like this now. Why? Return addition is not integer. Yeah. Return type is integer. Return type is integer. Then the capture should also be done in integer only. You can't capture the character now. Are you getting me? Same like this. Read lines return type is string. Read lines return type is string. How are you trying to capture? That is why it is giving an error. What is that? I cannot convert the string to integer. So what should I do? I need to go for a capturing as a string only. String S1 is equals to. Are you clear? All of you, remember this error once. I will put in the notepad. I'll just copy paste it. We'll discuss on this in detail. Just putting the okay. Now will I get any error? No, guys. Now I don't have any error because I'm reading as a string only. I did not save the code, I think. I did not save it. That's it. Save it, compile it. No error. Why, sir? Because you read it as a string. You read it as a string here. Are you guys clear or not? Okay. But can we do arithmetic operations on strings? Huh? Can you do arithmetic operations on strings? No, we cannot do. We cannot do arithmetic operations on the string now. So what you require to do is, if you want to do any arithmetic operation, this string should be converted back into integer. Should be converted back into integer. How to convert? Int I is equals to. Yesterday I explained you. Did you understand me or not? Why are you converting? Because we cannot do arithmetic operations on strings. So should be converted to integer. Tell me now, is it implicit conversion or explicit conversion? Explicit conversion. Correct now? Yesterday I explained you implicit, explicit and all the things. Okay, once can you read the error message you got it here? That's why I asked you. You are doing an explicit or implicit? Explicit. Implicit conversion is not possible. You cannot do an implicit conversion. So they're asking you to do explicit conversion. Okay. So guys, let me save it. Now compile it. Execute the code, all of you. Watch. What am I entering? Integer only now. Louder. But when I hit the enter key, the code comes into the program as integer or string. Implicit boxing. Implicit boxing. Boxing happens, you know. You entered integer. Value came as a string. What is boxing? Converting a value type into reference type is called as boxing. Implicit boxing happened now. And what am I doing in the next line? Explicit unboxing. Explicit unboxing. Here, what do we have? Implicit boxing. In the next line, what you done is explicit unboxing. Yesterday I said you this only. Tomorrow I will teach you what is boxing and unboxing practically. Are you clear? Whatever you enter will come into the code as a string only. Are you clear? Sir, I entered string only. If you enter string only, will come as string only. Array, no boxing and no need unboxing also. Correct or not? Enter a string here. Asking enter name. Name is string only now. You enter string. Comes as a string. No need conversion now. Understood my point or not? Okay. So, but if you enter an integer now, if you enter an integer now, okay. So what you done? Okay, what we done? Implicitly, it got boxed, and explicitly we are doing unboxing. Are you clear? Both of you. Yesterday I warned you, come and in the class. Last time, you will not be allowed into the class again if you come late. Okay? So watch it. What we done first, implicitly boxing has been done. And what you're doing in the next line, explicit unboxing now. Boxing, unboxing. See, you're asking entering him. You also entered the name now. That is string only, comes as string only, no boxing involved, no unboxing required now. But for other types, this boxing and unboxing are important. Am I clear, all of you? Come on. Can you help me? Now I want to read the second number. Tell me the code. Console dot write. Enter second number. String S2 is equals to console dot read line. Again, we have a implicit boxing. Again, we have an implicit boxing. Next, int j is equals to convert dot to the two of I can convert it. Okay. Conversion from one type to another type. Conversion from one type to another type can be done in different ways. I repeat, conversion from one type to another type can be done in different ways. Not only in C sharp, in C language also we have this. When you want to convert from one type to another type, there are multiple options to do the conversion. Multiple options to do a conversion. This is another style of conversion. Watch it. This is also conversion only, another style of conversion. End dot parse. This is again explicit unbox. Did you understand? Int dot parse. What are you passing? Your string. Converting into integer. Now both are integers only now. Now can I say int k is equals to I plus j console dot write line k. Console dot write line k. What a child added to parent added. I did not say. Don't in the meaning, man. Did I say child to parent? Did I say that? You're changing of the meaning, Bharat. What did I say? Value type to reference type. I did not say child parent at all. I only said your value type to reference type is called boxing. Okay, again, that reference to value type is called as unboxing. Okay, first, what is the time here? What did you say yesterday? Last warning. You will not be from tomorrow onwards. Okay, what is boxing? I said value type to reference type. Boxing. Reference type to value type. Brainless fellows, not possible. Again, you're telling unboxing. Reference type to value type, not possible. What is possible? First value to reference, reference to value. But a direct reference type can never be converted to value type. See, understand? Suppose here, just let us save this and execute, man. Just a second. Let me run the code. I'm entering hello. Tell me, is it string only now? We're coming to S1 now. Correct? Error will come on this line. Error will come on this line. Why? A direct reference type can never be converted into value type. This hello cannot be converted. Error say. Are you clear? What is possible? What is until value type, but comes into the code as reference string. Boxing happened now. That can be converted back into value type. Are you clear? And this is not an error. This is not an error. Got your results. Adding two numbers. Are you clear? Okay. Well, I want to see the output like this. How? I want to see the output as sum of 100 and 50 is 150. I repeat, how I want to see the output? Sum of 150 is 150. That's what I'm expecting now. Okay, let's try how to get it. How to get the output like that? Can I write like this? Just a minute. Can I write like this, guys? Sum of I and J is K. Can I write like this? Y IN. So what is the problem? That's what you learned in C language, but you're not able to express the things. That is important. Tomorrow you need to explain it clearly. What is the problem? Variables and expressions enclosed in the double quotes will be treated as strings only. What is that? Variables and expression. Expression means you're writing like 5 into 10 is an expression now. Variables and expressions enclosed in double quotes will be treated as strings only. So suppose if I run this code, what will happen? Error won't come. What it brings you? Sum of I and j is k to print you. That's all. Is it what you're expecting? What you're expecting? Sum of 150 is 150 is what I'm expecting now. Sum of I and j is k. Are you getting my point? How to get that, sir? How to get the correct output now? This I, this j, and this k should be outside of the double quotes. They cannot be inside of the double quotes. So to achieve it, what should I do? I need to end my double quotes here first. I need to end my double quotes before I and concatenate this value, combine I. And what is the concatenation operator? Plus. We use a concatenation operator plus and concatenate the value I. Now tell me, this is string variable. Sorry, this is string variable. String. So it should be inside the double quotes now. So again, I should use a concatenation here, double quotes, and again, J is outside now. Again, plus. Again, after J, plus. Again, double quotes is plus. Observe that statement carefully. You started the double quote and ended. That is one string. Okay, now? For that you concatenated I. Afterwards, you concatenated and. You concatenated J. Then you concatenated is. Then you concatenated K. Watch it. I, J, K are not inside the double quotes. They are outside of the double quotes. Point clear, all of you? So now, will I get the expected results? Yes or not? Yes, I get the expected results in this context. So let me recompile, execute the things. So value type can be converted into reference type. You watch the complete movie and finally you're asking, sir, who is the hero of the movie? That only know I said to you in the last class, value types can be converted into reference type and we call that process as boxing. Okay, unboxing means read the notes here. You must read the notes. Once you go back home, did you read the notes first? Value type converting into reference type is possible. It is possible. And what do we call it? Boxing. Second, reference type to value type. Reference types can never be converted to value type. What is possible? A value type is first converted into reference type, and this can be converted back into array, int, converted to string, convert to int again. What is the problem now? Are you getting me? String cannot be converted to int. Int converted to string can be converted to int again. So this is called as unboxing. So observe it, all of you. String str is equal, sorry, string s1 is equals to hello. Remember, guys, this is purely a string and present in string format. Correct or not? String s2 is equals to 100. See here, there's an integer but present in string format. Are you clear? This, what is the meaning? Boxing happened here already. There's a boxing now. Why? Is the string here? No, what is it? Integer present in string format. It is present in string format. Because it is present in the string format, I can convert this back into integer. But this cannot be converted to integer. Why? That is string only. Are you clear? So first this int is present in string format. So possible to convert back into integer again. That's what value type, reference type, back to value type. But hello is a reference type only. So converting to value type is invalid. That's not possible. Okay. But coming back, yeah, let's observe our output 100, 50. Got your expected output. Got your expected output here now. Okay, sum of 150 is 150. Is that clear? But the thing is, they very are easy. Imagine there are 10 variables like this. 10 variables like this. You should be very cautious using the concatenations. If you forget to put double quotes anywhere or plus anywhere, you don't get the correct outputs now. Very complicated. We imagine 10 or 20 are there, it looks very complex. That is why in C language, to decrease this button, to decrease this, they given an option like this. How you know? Like this. Sum of remember or not? This is option what C language introduced you, telling you what I's here inside the double quotes, outside the double quotes. Now, this I value will go and disappear in the first percent ID. J value goes and sits in the second percent ID. K value goes and sits in the third percent ID. Which one is easy? First one or second one? Second one is easy. But what is the problem here? This is second one is easy, but problem is I take our integers using the percent ID. Suppose I take our float, we should use percentile F. If I take our string, we should use percentile S. The format specifier varies from type to type. Yes or not? One integer, one float, one string, array again, one percentile, percentile, different like this. But C# made it simple for us. What is it? No percentile, percentile F. It has introduced a concept like indexed parameters like this. Did you understand me? It has introduced you something like indexed parameters like this. Following me? So here we can substitute integers. Listen, you can substitute integers, you can substitute strings, you can substitute double, float, date time, GUID, anything you like. No restrictions now. So tomorrow, if I say a type are changing, I don't require changes again now. What do we call them? We call them as placeholders. What is it? Placeholder means you're reserving a space for a value to come and sit here now. What type of values are? Any type. Second advantage, tomorrow you have 10 or 20 values. When you use percentage 10 times, tomorrow how many values are these options? You should count there. But this will give you a clear count. 0 to 9 will be there. So you'll understand, by the first look only, you'll understand 9 present means 10 values I'm substituting now. Are you clear? So readability will be good. Second thing is, any type can be substituted in the case. So that is percentage C language style, and this is C# style. Which one is easy? First one or second one? Second is easy. You can see now. Now also I get the same output. Yeah. Got the same result. Are you clear? Guys, not possible, but still, this is the easiest way of writing now. Tell me, Are not possible, yeah, but the easiest way of writing or not? The easiest way now. That is the easiest way. Why can't you write like this, sir? You can't write like this because problem is actually when printing now, I should be replaced with 100, J should be replaced with 50, K should be replaced with 150. That's it now. Come on, tell me. I should be replaced with 100, J should be replaced with, K should be replaced with. Okay, replace and tell me, replace I's with 100, J's with 50, X with 150. Tell me what is the output? Sum of 100 and 50. Arey, why is here 100 is now? If I is replaced with 100 now, all I will be replaced now. So it's common sense here. You have a brain, computer has a brain. Then how do you know which I should be replaced? Is your brain connected to the CPU? You think something computer understands now? No, it's a brainless machine here. It's a brainless machine. So if you say replace I, all I's will be replaced now. All J's will be replaced. All K's will be replaced. Do you understand why it won't do? This is why it won't do. If I tell computer to do it, means it will have the nonsense now. Okay? But if I can tell to computer, replace this I, replace this J, replace this K, then problems all now. I can tell. How you know? Now, without using 0, 1, 2, 3, put the I's, means put your variables in the curly braces. See now, you're highlighting them now. What should be replaced you are telling? Are you clear? Let us see whether I get the correct output or not. Let us see. Compile. Execute. 150. Oh, did not get. Now also I'm getting same only. Isaac only coming now. Value did not come now. Yes or not? If you want to achieve it, you record prefix it with a dollar symbol. You record prefix with a dollar symbol. Watch. Got it? Got it now? Now choice is yours. What you want to use? First one or second one or third one? Third one is easy, not the second one. Okay? See, remember, the second one is lengthy, man. Third one, directly you can use up the fields there now. Listen, first one is a very old pattern of writing the code, where the industry is using this since 1950s. Since 1950s, COBOL, Pascal, Fortran, C, everyone used it. This is a mechanism introduced in C language. A mechanism introduced in C language, but made a bit simple than C. Got it? This is a mechanism used in C language, but made a bit simple than C. Clear? And this is introduced by C# in 6.0 version of C#. In which version? 6.0 version of the C#. We called it as string interpolation. What is that? String interpolation. It's not possible in the first version here. This can be used from C# 6.0 only. You cannot use it in the previous versions. In the previous versions, you need to try any of these two. But from 6.0, all three works. Is that clear on all of you? Yes or not? Okay. What did I teach you now? What did I teach you? I first taught you how to read input into a program. How to read read line. Read line. How to read input? Read line. This method will read the input into the program. And what it does when I use this method, it will do three activities for us, I said here. What is it? Waits for the user's input. Once the user finishes entering the value, it will read it, brings into the program, and returns back. Third action is returns back. You can capture the value now. But don't forget, the return type of the method is string. The return type of the method is string. So how I captured it? String. Afterwards, what I done? I converted to integer. Same I done here also, but this is one style of writing the code. This is another style of writing the code. Then I added and printed you the output in three different varieties. Are you clear? Okay, guys. By using this program, what can I do? By using this program, what can I do? Add what? Two integers. But when we started our discussion, we discussed like we want to add two numbers, not two integers. Array, decimal is also number only, man. But here we can add only integers. Sir, if I give decimal, what will happen? Error will come. Error. So I can add only integers. But actually, what is our discussion? We want to add two numbers. Are you clear? To resolve the problem, don't use integer here. Better go for using double. So here, what should I write? Convert dot to double. Understand? Come on, change here also. Help me. Double B2 is equals to double dot parse. Double dot parse. Come. Double D3 is equals to D1 plus D2. Now replace I with D1, J with D2, K with D3. Same again. D1, D2, D3. D1, D2, and D3. Now can I add two numbers or two integers? Two numbers. Anything can be added. Integer, double, everything can be accepted. Watch it. First I'm adding 20 years. Okay, now next I'm adding two double values. Watch. Double is also working. Next, one integer, one double. Okay, now next, one double, one integer. Clear are all of you? So the program is linked to numbers, not to integers. Okay. If you look at your notes, I given an explanation for each and everything what I written. So first, what I started. Our idea is to take the input from the users now, and this is the code what I explained you. This is a complete code, 3 ways of printing the outputs. Okay. First, read line. Read. Into our programs, and this method, it will do 3 actions as video. First, waiting for the input now. Second, user finished entering the value. It goes reads that value into the code. Third one. Don't forget, guys, where is the value string? By performing boxing, because return type of the method is string. It's a predefined method here. See the return type? String. And already you know that it's a static method now. It's a static method now. It is a public method. It is a return type is string. Method name is readline. Okay, that is predefined here, not my method. That is predefined. You cannot change that now. Okay. Next. Type by performing an unboxing, by which can be done in either of the ways. By performing an unboxing, and we can do it in 2 ways now. I shown you 2 options to do it, man. This one way and this one way. Okay. Just have a look on these 2 lines once. Have a look on these 3 lines once. Carefully watch. No need this line. Yeah, this line and this line. What you're doing on the first line? Reading the value. Second line, converting the value. Correct now? We can write this statement in one line only. We can write the statement in single line. How you know? Double D1 is equals to. See, just a minute. What are you passing here? What did you assign to S1? Array, I is equals to 100 means I is 100 now. Now S is equals to consolidated read means S1 is consolidated read line, right there? So can I write like this? Convert dot to double off in the place of S1. Can I directly say console dot read line? Are you clearer or not? Going forward, this is how you should write the code in the real time. We should not go for unnecessary variable declarations. Why? S1 is unnecessary variable. Yeah, we don't use anywhere in the code. D1 is important for me, not S1. Are you clearer or not? So the more you declare unnecessary memory consumption and your client will not accept it. And all these questions gets raised in the code review. So you write the code and the code will be reviewed by your lead now. He'll ask you, why did you declare this S1? Where are you using? So then why do you declare this now? So these type of unnecessary things should be completely avoided. Do you understand the two lines or not? Method inside a method. We learned in C language also. Function inside a function. Which one executes first? Inner function or outer function? This the first which method executes? Console dot read line. Returns a value taken by outer converts into double. Are you guys clearer or not? This is how it works for you. Convert dot to double, console dot read line. The conversion happens to you behind the screen like this now. Come on. I hope now you can tell this. Come on, guys. How to write this in one line? Just a minute. Come on, please. Double D2 is equals to the double dot R's console dot read. Is it clear, all of you? I have given that in the notes. See that. This is the first style. This is the second style. Same way here also. Going forward from the next example, I will directly write the code like this only. Understood? From the next, see, I don't want you to learn like this. If I learn like this, you go and write like that only now. That is why. Let us practice in the simplest model. Okay. Next. Okay. Just a second. We use the converter and also paths. Let me explain about both the two things. Convert is a system namespace, and this class provides a set of static methods for converting from one type to another type. Converting from one type to another type, like to int 32, to double, to boolean, to string, etc. Read it. Converting from converting from one type to another type. For converting from one type to another type. But one thing remember, converting from one type to another type means that the value being converted should be compatible for being converted. The value should be compatible of being converted. Incompatible types cannot be converted now. I give a hello and I say convert to integer means error will come now. Compatibility is very important now. Can I convert a int into double? Yes or not? Can I convert a double into integer? No. Convert double to integer. No. Int can be converted to double. Why? What is this, sir? Converting it to double. Put a dot 0 0 will become a double now. Any problem is happening with dot 0 0 there. But a double cannot be converted to integer now. A double is having a value 123.58. You want to convert into integer, you need to either truncate it or round it now. Means you are cutting out the value. That is not correct now. Am I right or wrong? Okay, so that's what. So remember that one. What is the value being converted should be compatible of being converted. Okay, etc. And here, the value being converted should be compatible of being converted into the new type. Is that clear, all of you? Understood what the convert? Second, parse. Listen, parse is a static method available or present under all the value types, and this method is used for converting a string into a type on which the method is called. Read again. Stop it. Present under all the value types. We have 15 value types now. All the 15 value types have a parse method. String doesn't have parse method. Object doesn't have parse method. We have parse method. Only value types have the parse method. Converting what? A string, not any type to any type, man. Very carefully. A string into a type on which the method is called. A string into a type on which the method is called. What is the meaning of it? Look. String S1 is equals to 100. Can I convert this into integer? Come on, answer me. How to convert, sir? Int I is equals to int dot parse of S1. So you are calling this method on int, correct or not? Or you are calling this method on int. Means what is the meaning? Convert to integer only now. See, into a type on which the method is called. You are converting into a type on which I called it on integer. So we convert into integer only now. Okay. You tell me this one. String S2 is equals to. Tell me. Double na. Double B is equals to double dot parse. Yes. String S3 is equals to is equals to bool dot parse S3. String S4 is equals to hello. I cannot convert this into any value type at all now. Yes or not? First one is integer, present in string format. Convert to integer then. Second one is a double, present in string format. Convert to double again. Third one is a boolean, present in string format. Convert into boolean. Fourth one is string only. You cannot do any conversions on this now. Are you clear about the parse method? Parse method will not convert from one type to the type one. Will convert from string to a type on which you call. You call it on integer, it will convert to integer. You call it on string, it will convert to string. You call it on a boolean, you convert to boolean. That's what parse method is all about. Read it. Convert the string representation of a value to its equivalent value type on which the method is called. So you are calling the method on integer here. You are calling the method on double here. You are calling the method on boolean, converting into integer boolean. Understood? Sir, which one should I use? Which one is good? Both are same here. Whatever you want, you can use it. Which one is simple? Use the appropriate thing. There is no difference between using convert dot variable There is no difference between calling double dot pairs. Both are same only. Someone asks a question, which one performs well, sir? No, nothing like this. Both will execute in the same style only. Are you clear? Which one you feel simple? Use that. I feel parse is simple. You may feel convert is simple. Your choice. Is it clearer or not? Okay, you can try anything you like. See, my job is to tell you whatever is available. What to use is your choice. Understood my point or not? If there is any difference in performance, then I'll highlight you. If I did not tell you anything like no performance, I did not talk anything about the performance. Means what the meaning? Both are same. Both are same. So choose your comfort. What you want to use? You like parse method or you like convert class methods? You can try whatever you want. No restrictions for this. Is it clear, all of you? Okay. So that is all about the parse. And already explained about string interpolation now. String interpolation provides a more readable and convenient syntax to create formatted strings than a string composite formatting feature. What is that? Formatting a string. Formatting a string in the sense means formatting a string means, see, what did you write here? But what are you expecting? Sorry. What did you write here? What are you expecting? Expecting sum of first number and second number is third number. And to get the output, you written this code now. This is called formatting. This is called as formatting. So string formatting is easy with string interpolation. String formatting is easier with string interpolation. See, syntax to create formatted strings than the string composite formatting feature. What is string composite formatting feature? This one here, concatenations. This is simple than this now. Are you clear or not? Okay, so that's what actually it was introduced with C# 6.0. This feature is available starting with C# 6.0. Okay, so it is something like placeholders only. But earlier in the placeholders, we used to use indexes and variables outside. But that was made simple now. What is it? Array, y variables outside. Directly write out the variables only in the curly braces now. But if this feature has to work, you need to prefix the dollar symbol. I showed you, if there is no dollar, what it shown you? IJK. But when I prefix the dollar, it's shown you the appropriate values there. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, that's what you just require to remember when you're writing the code. So I feel these two are easier. We can try this anywhere we want. But this is going to be complex. This is going to be a complex thing building like this. Either I will use the second option or either I'll use the third option, depending on the convenience. Is it clear, everyone? Any doubts with anything in this? Just a minute. Can we write like this? What do you see? ING will come as ING only. Now. But I value will not be printed and value will not be printed. What will print you? Q value will be printed. Just now I explained about the parse only. Okay, I think you raised this question before I explained you. Okay. Okay. All clear? Understood about how to send the outputs to the monitor and read the inputs on the monitor? Actually, we started this discussion last week only. Here, I want to take the input. But to take the input, what we learned, data types are important. And then we went to starting with data types, expand about all the data types. Then I expand your value types, reference types, nullable value types, everything related to data types, I expand you. And where we stopped yesterday, boxing and unboxing. And continued from there, showing you physically where boxing and unboxing will be used in the real time. Tomorrow, if you want to develop any console applications, actually these are CUI. What is it? CUI, character user interface. But really you don't develop them. What you develop is GUI, graphical user interfaces. Understood that? In the graphical user interface, I won't prompt the user. I give a text box. User will type the name in the text box now. Or user will enter the first number in the text box, second number in the text box now. Are you getting me? So going forward, your applications will be like this. Hold on, I'll show you. Going forward, this is how your applications will be. Watch. That is how you design going forward, man. Are you getting me? We will enter the inputs in the number in the text boxes and click on the buttons and get the results. Understood or not? Okay, but directly we cannot start from here. Directly we cannot start from here. We don't understand object-oriented programming here. All these things we cannot start from here. So because it is not possible to start from here, we are just we are trying to first start with the CUI development. So going forward, we will convert into GUI. Okay, here we have a text box now. Array, the value entered in the text box also will come to a string only. Even though enter 100 there, the value will not come as an integer. The value will come as string only. Then also you need to do all the same thing only. But today we read from command window. Here we will read from text box. You read from a command window or you read from a text box. Conversion is mandatory. Are you clearer or not? Conversion is mandatory. Is it clear, all of you? Conversion is going to be mandatory in this particular case. So we need to do the conversion completely on this. Yeah, guys, this is about taking inputs from the user now. Okay, next. The next topic, what we are going to come across right now is operators. Operators. All of you learned about operators in C language. Ne? What is an operator? An operator is a special symbol which performs an action when used between one or more operands. When used between one or more operands, not two operands, one or more operands, because unary are also there. I plus plus, there is one operand only, na? So that's why one or more operands. It is a special symbol. It performs an action when used between one or more operands. Are you clearer or not? And now coming about it, you can just see there are various operators. What you know all of them, guys. I'm not telling anything new. First one, add plus minus here. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. That's how you should read it. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Next. Add equal assignment. Instead of assignment, it will be equal again. Addition assignment. Subtraction assignment. Multiplication assignment. Division assignment. Modulus assignment. Relational. This is equal, not this one. This is assignment. This is equal, not equal, less than or equal, greater than equal. You know all these things. Next, increment, decrement. Increment operator, decrement operator. See, those are 5 set of operators, you know. If you don't know anything, that is only the last one. That is only what I'm going to show you now. What is it? Miscellaneous operators. Size of, type of, is, as. I hope you know such one, ternary. Sixth one is new again for you. What is it? Question mark. Please. So these are the extra things. I'll tell you how to use them. Remaining, we can use it today in our code. We use the plus operator for addition. Same way we use the same plus operator for concatenation also. Sometimes we use the plus operator. For addition, we used. For concatenation also, we use with the plus operator. Same way subtraction. We can use all these things. If anything is new, that is size of, type of, and all. Let me show you how to use these operators now. What operators? Size of, type of, is, as, ordinary, police. Okay? Select me. I cannot give you breaks in the middle. Yeah, what is this? Cinema theater or what? It's an ocean, yeah. C sharp is an ocean. I don't have the fancy of putting jokes in the classroom and teaching you. The problem I have is that there's a time given. I need to complete the class in my time frame now. I don't have time now. So I need to tell. I cannot. That's why so many people say, so why don't you put jokes in the class? I don't have time. I don't have that much time. I don't have that fancy because it's a ocean. If I read any topic, again I'll get a complaint. Sir did not teach me this one. So this is the problem. See, what is the problem? Student attitude will be like this. You are not ready to sit for more time in the classroom. You want class to be completed early. Okay? You want everything to be taught. This is what your thinking will do. I should not leave anything. If I leave, you love this topic, sir. I want everything to be teaching you. I cannot go faster and I cannot take long time. Again, if I take any special classes, you will be complaining on that. All these problems you have. Is it injection to inject into your body? Okay, you have to spend time. Spend time, practice. That's what I'm telling you. We're still in the basics only. And it's much more complicated going forward. I'm telling you, Sadavoli, be up to date. You leave practice here. Once you go to the advanced concepts, you won't understand anything. Okay? So do the practice perfectly first. Everything. That much. Do the notes I given you. Point to point. What to write, what to do, everything. If you still don't do a practice, and second one, practice is don't copy paste. Because given the notes I notice so many people copy paste. You're learning copy paste. Tomorrow you'll go into work also, you'll see copy paste only now. Don't copy paste. Write on your own first. Understood? When you write on your own only, you will come to know where uppercase characters should be used, where lowercase characters should be used, all these things. So type, sit more time on the system, not watching Facebook and YouTube. Okay? Sit more time on the system, start writing the code. You need to do some R&D. Sam said me like this, if I do like this, what happens? That's what. You need to improvise that type of skills. So yeah, talk more, think more. Why can't I do like this? What happens if I do like this? If you do something, error comes, you learn from the mistakes. You learn from the mistakes, basically. Spend time. That's what I say. Yeah. Uh, Let us look into the operators now. Let me write a program here called operators demo. Using system class operators demo. Static void main. Let us see one by one operator. First operator. Hey, I am not talking on them. Size of. Yesterday, day before yesterday, listed you data outs, na? And I said you sizes of the data outs, na? And you can check it now by calling size of if you want. Whatever I said you, right or not, you can check now by calling the size of. See, console dot right line size of. Sorry, size of. Bool is 1 byte now. Char 2 bytes. Int 4 bytes. Double 8 bytes. Check. And it's done. Thank you. Char is 2 bytes, check all of you. This is what I explained to you. Char is not 1 byte. Char is 2 bytes. Accommodating Unicode characters. You can check. 1 byte, true or false. Internally, this shows 1 and 0. That's all. 1 is true, 0 is false. But what it shows you is false only, not 1, 0. Okay, now? And int size is 4 bytes. Double size is 8 bytes. Are you clear with size of? Tells you size of a type. Then what is the second one? Type of here. What is the second one? Type of. What is type of? I explained about get type method, remember? Get type. We call the get type method. Yesterday we called the get type method. Get type method is telling the type of the variable, correct? Huh? Yes or not? Same like this, we have a method called as type of. That will tell you the type. Sir, you'll have a doubt here. What is it knowing the type? Say, type of is it will tell you IL format. It will tell you the IL format. What is IL format? System.boolean, system.char, system.int32, system.double. Are you clear or not? Are these IL or CL, C sharp? Those are all C sharp types. And what you get back? IL types will come back. Watch. Check it out. So what is the difference between get type and type of? Get type is called on the variable, man. Type of is called on type only. Did you understand me? How did you call get type? Int I is equals to 100. I want to know the type of I. How I called I dot get type? You are calling it on the variable, right? But type of is not called on the variable. You are calling on type only. That is the difference. Did you understand? But both taking the same output only. What is that? Means if you pass a C sharp type, it will return you IL type. It will return you the IL type of it. But here we are calling it a variable, not on the type. That is the difference between get type and type of. Is that clear? Next one is. The next one is. What is this is, sir? Look at this, all of you. Object obj is equals to. I am writing like this. Concentrate on this, all of you. Object obj is equals to 34.56. Means what I'm doing, boxing or not? You can put a blank this. Boxing na is 34.56. Double. Converting into object. Converting into object. Boxing. There is boxing now. Are you clear? Now, I have a question. What is the question? OBJ contains what type of value? Listen to me carefully. What I ask you, OBJ contains what type of value? Double type, or not any type. I did not ask you what type of value OBJ can contain. If I ask you what type of value OBJ can contain, what do you say? Any type. I did not ask you that. What I asked you, what type of value OBJ contains now? Double type. What it contains? Double type. Are you clearer or not? Okay. Well, now I want to compare the value of OBJ now. I want to compare the value of OBJ. How do you write? If OBJ is equals to 34.56. What I asked you, I want to compare the value of OBJ. How do you write? You are doing a comparison or not? What comparison? Value comparison. What are you doing, man? Value comparison. Are you clear? What's the meaning of it? The meaning is OBJ contains a value called 334.56. Am I correct or not? But I want to do a type comparison now. OBJ is containing a double or not? Did you understand me or not? What do you want to do? OBJ contains a double or not? And I'm writing OBJ is equals to double. Is it wrong? Why? Well, equal can do only value comparison. What it can do? Are you doing value comparison now? No, your intention is to do a type comparison now. Simple English, man. There is no rocket science there. That is simple English. How do you read? Array of OBJ is a double. Understood or not? Now understand what we need of each operator. Performs type comparison. Performs type equal to value comparison. If you want to do a value comparison, equal to. If you want to do a type comparison, is. Tomorrow, some value is stored in the object. Some value is stored in the object. You want to check now what type of value is it now? Is it a double or an integer or a boolean or something? Then we should use the is and verify. Is it a double or is it an integer or is it a float or whatever it is? I need to verify like that now. Is it clear or not? Okay, so here I'm writing what console dot write line OBJ contains a value of type double. Else don't know, unknown. You want to check with integer, right? Else if OBJ is int. Same way, character OBJ is char. OBJ is float. Lastly, OBJ is of type unknown. Understood? What will be the output now? OBJ is contains a value of type double. Contains a value of type double. Save it. I'm writing F here. Earlier, what it said you? Double. Recompile. Guess the answer? Check yourself. Unknown. Why? It's not a double. Did you understand me or not? Okay, except a double, anything you use that, it will give you unknown type. Why? It's not a double. So did you understand about the is operator? Equality will do you value comparison. But here I'm not doing a value comparison. What is my comparison? The values of type double or not. The values of type double or not. That's what exactly I'm doing here now. Okay now? Next. The next operator is as. What is it? As. Morning, I said you one point, remember? Object O is equals to hello world. Tell me now, what did you store in this? String. What did you store here? Double. What did you store here? String. Are you clear or not? Is this boxing? Tell me, yeah. Is this boxing? No, why? Both are reference types only. Right? Why boxing comes now? Both are reference types only. This is boxing, but this is not boxing. Clearer or not? Why? Your string is also reference type only. Object is also reference type only. No boxing, nothing at all. Okay. Well, now, can I convert this back into a string now? Can I convert this back into a string now? Array. This is double stored in. Can I convert back into double? That only I'm asking you now. This is string stored in object. Can I convert this back into string again? Yeah, you can do. How we can do? Morning only I taught you now different ways you can convert it now. See? String S1 is equals to, watch it. Converts. Second option. What is it? I know you will say that one. Parse method is present under value type solely, said you know. String is not a value type. String is a reference type. Watch. O dot. There's a direct method called as a toString. You can call like this. O dot toString. Converts into string. Simply English, man. Here. Convert to string. Here. O to string. O to string. Object to string. You can write like this also. String S3 is equals to, you learned this in your C language, remember? Typecasting. That's a very old pattern, typecasting. Are you clear? You can write like this also. Watch, this is a new one I'm showing you. O as string. What is as? As is a type conversion operator. Is a type comparison operator. As is a type conversion operator. See, man, there's no great logic here. Simple common sense. What is the meaning of it? Convert to O as string. What is the meaning? Convert to O as string. O should be converted as string now. That is simple English only now. Are you clear what it is? In English, what it is, man? Is it a book? I saw something and ask you, is it a book? See, is it our English studies? You're also doing the same thing. What is it? Is it a double? Is it a double? But here, as means not comparison, conversion this is. That is comparison, this is conversion. O as string, this is converting into a string now. I hope you guys are clear, all of you. All four are valid only. All four are valid only. That will I said you in the morning. For conversion from one type to another type, not only C#, in every programming language, multiple options are available. I don't know whether your C teacher have taught you like multiple options or not, but in C also we have multiple options. In Java also we have multiple options. In C# also we have multiple options. I am teaching you everything, you know. I thought only this one. Somewhere tomorrow, you are watching some online article somewhere, and you saw this, and you will be confused. No, what is this? Sir said me to convert like this, and here I see a code like this. Without that confusion for you, I'm telling you all varieties of code. Tomorrow, you see like this, or you see like this, you see like this, or you see like this. What do you come to know? All are same only, converting from one type to another type. Are you getting me or not? Some person written the code like this. Some person written the code like this. Some person written the code like this. And someone written the code like this. I know all four. So I can understand all four now. If I teach only one, you cannot understand the remaining two in the future now. Are you clear? Maybe a bit tough now, but still you become a good programmer if you learn like this. Is it clear? See, all these are valid here. Compare and see. No error will come in here. No error. No error coming means all are correct only. Understood or not? All are correct only. So what is the use of is operator? Type comparison. As operator, type conversion. Is type comparison, as is type conversion. Next one is ternary operator. I hope you remember you learned this in C language, guys. Okay, but still, let me tell you once. Int I is equals to 100. If I equals to 100, console dot write line, hello, India. Else, console dot write line, hello, world. And not write any great code here, simple code. What you done? And you're writing a small condition check there. That's all. What is the output now? Hello India, because I value is 100. So output is hello India. Recompile. Yeah, got it. But see, man, 4 lines of code you're writing. Ready to do this simple shit now. You're writing 4 lines of code now. Yes or not? You can write this in 1 line. You can write this in one single line now. How, sir? Watch. Console dot right line I double equals to 100 question mark hello India colon hello world. That's it. What is this, sir? Is this a ternary operator and the syntax is like this: A question mark B colon C. What is A? A is a condition. Watch this, all of you. It's a condition now. What is B? True expression. It's called as a true expression. What is the meaning? If the condition is a true, return this value. If the condition is true, return this value. And what is C? False expression. What is the meaning? If condition is false, return this. Are you clearer or not? So, condition true, return this one. False, return this one. This is what we call true expression, false expression. Am I clear, everyone? Understood, all of you? That is what? True and false expression. Save it, execute it, and you will see the same result again. Are you guys clearer or not? Okay, you are seeing the same result here. That is what we call as a ternary operator. What is that? 3 operands. Guys, unary means 1. And is all binary. 2. And is it ternary? 3 operands. We use it on 3 operands. Last but not the least, police. What is police? Actually, imagine like this. There is a database table storing customers' data. Storing some customers' data. In this table, there are some columns here: customer ID, customer name, address, all this information. Like I have 3 columns like in the table, like mobile phone, mobile phone, home phone, work phone. Are you getting me? In the first column, mobile phone is stored. In the second column, home phone is stored. Third column, work phone is stored. Now, when the user is entering the data, he did not enter mobile phone number. He entered a home phone number. He entered a home phone number, or he entered a work phone. He can enter all the 3, or anyone, or any 2, any combination he can enter now. Yes or not? You entered your mobile number, you entered your home phone, you entered your work phone. Second option, you did not enter the mobile number. What you entered? Home phone, work phone. And otherwise, you entered only home phone, or you entered only work phone. Any combination can be entered. Tomorrow, I want to make a call to the customer. When I want to make a call to the customer, imagine yourself, what is the first preference? What is the first preference now? Mobile phone. Second preference, home phone. Third preference, work phone. So I need to do a condition check now. First, check if mobile phone is present, bring it. Not present, then go to home phone. Present, bring it. Not present, work phone. Are you clear? And to achieve it, you are required to write a lot of conditions in the code. You notice once. You need to write big conditions here. First, what you should check: mobile phone available or not? Available, bring it. Not available, come to else part. In the else part, again, you require to check what is it? Work phone available or not? Available, bring it. Not available, again go to else part. See here, you require to write a lot of condition checks now. Yes or not? Without doing these condition checks, we use the Collies operator. We use a Collies operator. I'll show you an example, a simple example. Watch. String Country 1 is equals to India. Country 2 is equals to America. And country 3 is equals to Australia. Are you clear? I'm giving a value. But see, guys, I'm not giving a value now. Null. Null. Country 3 is equals to Australia. Means, just like imagine, I said 3 countries now. The same thing I said here. Mobile phone, home phone, work phone. So, while printing, print me country 1. Country 1 is not there. Oh, country 1 is not there, then print country 2. Country 2 also not there, then print me country 3. You understood the preference now? Now what should I do? I should first check country 1 available or not. Available, print it. Not available. Yes, not. I should come to yes now. Check now. Country 2 is available or not. Available, print it. Not available. Again, yes. Now, country 3 available, print it. Not available. Array, suppose you have country 4 also. Lot of conditions it has to be done now. Just a simple code C. Console dot write line. Country 1, question mark, country 2, question mark, country 3. That's it. What it returns, sir? It returns you the first not null value. Simple English, man. What it returns you? First not null value. Tell me, is country 1 null or not? Then go to country 2 now. Country 2 null or not? Then go to country 3 now. The first not null value is country 3 now. Correct or not? So what is the output? Australia will be the output. Watch it. Simple, like without writing lengthy coding and conditions, you can do it. Okay, suppose tomorrow now see what will be the output. America will be output now. Array, check C, our first value null, then goes to second. Not null. Stop there. Don't go to third. Just imagine tomorrow if 10 countries are there. Easy, one line you can write up the code. But if you follow the whole process of writing if conditions, how many condition checks you are required to do, you know? Understood or not? That will become a big nightmare for us now. But you have 10 countries, 20 countries, give a list. Same thing I said you. How do you write? Mobile phone, question mark, home phone, question mark, work phone. What did you do? You first check the mobile phone, not present, then it goes to home phone, not present, then goes to work phone. Mobile phone present, brings the mobile phone. Mobile phone not present, home phone present, brings the home phone. Are you clear? It will become simple writing the code. Okay, and now let's see the output now. The output should be America now. See, guys, now you got America. Now try this. Or the output. Yeah, it will stop at first only now. India. Are you clear? So once again, size of will tell you size of a type. Type of will tell you the ideal type of a given C# type is type comparison, not comparison, type comparison as type conversion. Condition operator, that's a condition. Okay, ternary. What it returns? Returns the first not null value. Returns the first not null value. You can give any number of values. What is not null in the first? That will return. Means if it finds not null value at second, it will stop there only. It will not go next. If it finds in first, it will stop there. Otherwise, it keeps on searching next one until it locates a not null value. It will keep on searching all things now. Clear? Understood? Okay. So, guys, I'm telling you again, practice. Clear? Okay, I said you any problems, get me the laptop. No one came out back. No one got problem.